Welcome to a realistic day in the life of a DevOps intern. I wake up around 8:30 and start my day with a morning skincare routine, including applying sunscreen. Then I eat breakfast, drink coffee, and zone out. Before anything else, I set up my ergonomic lumbar back support cushion, boot up my laptop, and open all the necessary software I need for the day. So these are my essentials: the browser, Spotify, terminal, notepad, and VS Code. The first thing I do is check my email or any conversations I need to catch up on. I also look for threads that require my focus and tasks that I need to accomplish for the day. After that, I make my to-do list using Notion to stay organized and keep track of everything. Next, I check my current Jira ticket and merge requests to update them and list any comments I need to address for my current assignment. Now, this kind of comment is what makes my day. My current assignment, which is my final task for this internship, involves deploying the microservices that underwent changes to our staging environment. As you can see, there's an error in running the Jenkins job, so let's figure that out. I use this time management method called Pomodoro technique, so it means working for 25 minutes and taking a break for 5 minutes and then just repeat it all over again. So here's me coding away. This assignment has really required me to apply all the tools I've been learning for the past 6 months, including common DevOps tools like Git, GitLab, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, and Google Cloud. My internship has also involved using Linux commands and Python to create and automate scripts. When I encounter bugs or errors, I refer to documentation, Stack Overflow, tutorials, and ChatGPT to come up with a solution. I'm also encouraged to seek help from my colleagues. My last resort would be brainstorming in my thinking chair. No, I'm just kidding. So during my 5-minute break, you guessed it, I'm still looking at the screen, but this time I'm just checking social media sites. I also have an hour break to eat my lunch. After lunch, if it's a Tuesday, I have a one-on-one meeting with my supervisor where I report my progress, discuss it, and we go back and forth on how to resolve the errors I've been encountering. If it's any other day, I just go back to coding, aka breaking down and reflecting on my life decisions. At 2 p.m., I attend our daily stand-ups where we spin a wheel and take turns updating each other on our progress with tasks. This is where I also say, I'm just doing what I did yesterday. After stand-ups, I go back to coding. This time, I count how many minutes I can rest my eyes, then accidentally oversleep. What usually wakes me up is when I dream of my coding error. When this happens, I bring out my secret weapon that I've been using since high school, this rebanded coffee drink. So I energize a bit, I code more until I see progress, whether it be a successful run of the program or a different error, or until I feel my head hurting. I spend the last hour updating my internship requirements, such as my internship monitoring form and internship project report. I also update my intern tracker and KPI. Lastly, I write my progress in my assignment documentation and wrap everything up. My after-work hours involve any activity that relieves stress, such as going to the gym, playing video games, or doing something productive like making or editing content for my videos. Then do it all again the day after.